Colonel Simon Lee, Chairman for Total Defence. My actual appointment is Commanding Officer 163 Squadron. For NDP 09, I'm actually holding 3 different hats. Chairman TDD is one. I'm also DY Chairman Parade and Ceremony, as well as Chairman Safety and Contingency within the PNC setup. I find that it's an honour, and I'm glad to be given this appointment. And the key idea of why we are doing Total Defence Display is that we want to show that we want to showcase the operational readiness of the SAF and the home team, and to show the larger audience that Singapore is vigilant and prepared to handle any threats, that we are ready to defend our homeland. And I thought that is a very meaningful bit, and I'm glad to be able to do my part. That interestingly, it came over a peer session between Chairman PNC and Chairman Show, because I think they are trying to see what is the delta between this year NDP and the previous year. And I guess the end of the day here is, if you look at it, the previous NDP, they used to have different segments. We still have a lot of performance, but each of them seems to be inwardly oriented, so on its own. So this year what we try to do as a one show concept is want to string all the components together, and we want to find something that's common throughout, okay, that will make the audience relate better. And at the end of the day, I think what we creatively come up with is that other than the 10 chapters, each of the different chapters will be anchored on different aspects of our pledge. So the intent is at the start of the NDP, we deconstruct the pledge. Okay, so you have the 10 chapters, each one showing different pieces, and at the end and the finale, we reconstruct the pledge. And I think the intent is to give a hair-raising experience to all the audience at the end of the NDP only. Well, peace and prosperity, and well, I'm a father, so I hope that my children will continue to be able to grow up in a safe and secure place.